Hello and welcome to Something Creative with Kleina. Today I've got a delicious mouth-watering seafood delicacy from Mangalore and I would like to thank my friend Smita for sharing it with me. So if you are a big seafood fan, you can't resist a delicious clam recipe, right? So I'm not taking much of your time. Let's get into the video. Clams are shellfish with two-part shell. Here I have taken half kg clam. They are washed thoroughly 3 to 4 times and I have pressure cooked it for 2 whistles. You can also cook it in open pot, twisting and turning them until all the clams are open. I was in a hurry, so pressure cooked it. Now let's start. If the clams are not opened, then use a knife and open it. And leave one shell with the meat and discard one shell. Here I am going to keep it and use it for my craft activity. So we will clean them all and we are also going to use the water in which the clams were boiled because the water is full of flavor and nutrition. One thing to remember is that the clam and the cooked water has its natural salt content. So we need to be careful while adding salt. Clams have been around over 500 million years ago and people have been eating them for at least 1,65,000 years. Clam is rich in phosphorus, potassium and calcium. It protects against osteoporosis and prevents Alzheimer's disease. For the masala, I have taken 20 Kashmiri red chilies, 1 tablespoon whole coriander, half teaspoon carom seeds, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon peppercorn, 1/4 teaspoon fenugreek seed, 1 inch ginger, 5 cloves garlic, 2 strands of curry leaves and 1 cup coconut. Heat oil in a pan. I have used 1 teaspoon of coconut oil and let's add all the dry spices except the red chilies and we will roast them till the aroma comes. We will add the red chili later on as it will fry fast. Here the coriander seeds have started changing color and you can also smell the beautiful aroma. Now let's add the red chilies and curry leaves and roast them. Roast until the red chili slightly turns color and are crisp. Be careful not to overdo it, otherwise the gravy will turn brown and not red. Once the red chili and curry leaves are roasted, we will add our ginger and garlic. Here I have slit my ginger and garlic and I am also going to add the coconut. Mix them well and let's add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric and half teaspoon chili powder. I prefer my curry spicy. You can add as per your taste. Cook them until the raw flavor is gone and let them cool completely and then grind it into a smooth paste, adding little water. For tempering, I have taken 1 onion and 3 green chilies. I have cut it into juliennes. You can also chop them into small pieces. I am going to cook it in a clay pot for the authentic flavor. The pot is hot. Now let's add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Once the oil is heated, we'll drop in the onions and cook till it is slightly pink and translucent. Now let's add our green chilies. After the onion and green chilies are cooked, we will add the coconut paste. And also add the clam and the boiled clam water. Here you must have noticed that I haven't added salt. That is because I have mentioned earlier that the clam has its own flavor and texture. So we will let the clam boil in the gravy. We will see if we need to add salt or need to add kokum. So accordingly we will adjust the seasoning. So this is the authentic Mangalorean masala. You can use this masala to cook any other fish. For that you just have to add one small lemon-sized tamarind during the time of grinding. So as this is a clam recipe, I am going to add kokum because I do not know whether the clam is too sour or too salty. So once my gravy is ready, I will adjust my seasoning. The gravy has been boiling for good 5 minutes. So now let's taste and see if we need to add anything. Here I am going to add 2 kokums. This has been soaked in boiled water and we will cook the gravy for another 5 minutes. The gravy has slightly thickened and it looks ready. So let's dish it out and taste it. Time to taste the recipe. Why don't you try it and let me know in the comment section how you found this recipe. So see you next time in a new video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.